guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are going to be planning in my catch-all planner for the week of November 25th through December 1st. This kit I'm going to be using is from SLO Planning. This was part of their subscription kit, I think 2 years ago or last year. But we have the full boxes and sidebar. We have the date strips, and then some functionals and a weekend banner. I have already laid down the headers here, and then we have more functionals. So I am going to be using this box here in a minute, but I also have my Mandy Lynn Plans week of stickers here, and we only have 5 weeks left on this, and then I will need a new one, but I will figure out where I'm going to get that from here in a bit. And then I have my Tipsy Dog Designs scripts here that I got from her. I'm going to zoom you guys in just a little, and there we go. So I hope you guys have been doing well and good. Trying to get ahead of filming for a hot minute. Because December is quite busy, and I'm gonna sneeze, you guys, and I'm sorry. Sorry. And I'm gonna be busy next month in December. Have a few little like not vacations, but a few little things planned. And then at the end of the month, my husband and I are going for our anniversary this year. He surprised me with something off my bucket list, which is I wanted to see the ball drop in New York City. So I will be in New York while my mom is at my house taking care of my daughter and my dogs, because our anniversary is in January. We got married January 7th, and it'll be 6 years married this in 2025. So for like our 6-year anniversary, he decided we were going to go to New York. And this will be our first trip that we have taken without our daughter, and just the two of us. He got a good deal on it, so I'm excited. But anyway, so we're planning for next week, and next week is Thanksgiving. So not much really going on. I mean, yeah, we have a lot going on, but not really at the same time. It's hard to explain. But my husband did take a leave, but we are staying home. But it'll be nice because he'll be home all week next week, and we can hang out as a family and get a bunch of stuff that we need done around our home. So I am going to go ahead and put down a couple of things here, because I don't need anything there. Let me look at my monthly here quick. That's right. Okay. We're gonna put... Okay, sorry about that, guys. So this is the next day where I'm filming, November 25th through December 1st, so Thanksgiving week. My camera so rudely died, and then I just got busy with other things. So I want to go ahead and lay down some of these full boxes on my daughter's name, because her daddy and her dad's off next week, so my husband. So we are going to be spending the week together. And I don't have like any play dates or whatnot scheduled next week. So we're just gonna do this for her name. And then we'll get into the day by day for each category. I do have my Black Mountain Plans scripts here, and I do PR for her, so you can use Amy B20 to get 20% off. And I do need to order some more scripts. I did finish the page, so pull these guys over. So Monday, like always, is trash day. Trash day. And I do change the wax in my wax melters. Okay. So we're going to start with Monday. I have therapy Monday. Okay. We have quite a bit going on Monday. I have a wax. Okay, so we have a lot going on Monday. Actually, I gotta move this guy. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Come on. Yeah. She doesn't have anything going on, but we have a lot going on Monday, so I'm gonna use her box. Here, we need to $7:30. And then we are meeting like 9 a.m. halfway between where we live and where they live for breakfast. So there's that. Tuesday, I need to move my books upstairs. And I need to pull out our duck. To clean off dining table. so we can eat on it on Thursday. Thursday is Thanksgiving. I did forget on Tuesday. It's my dad's birthday. He passed away, but I still want to mark it. Saturday we change sheets and laundry. And that is pretty much it. I think I'm gonna try to get him to go to IKEA actually. To go pick up my bookshelves. So that goes there. I don't use weekend banners normally, but I really like SLO Planning's weekend banner, so I will add that. I do have a bunch of functionals for things that need to be added, but so far this is all that's going to be added this week, or for the week of Thanksgiving, because my husband's going to be home, so it's really just going to be about family time and getting things done around our house. So I hope you liked this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.